Hello everybody, this is Nilnor, and today we're going to play Sons of the Forest. So this is basically a nice little sci-fi horror build, construct, survive in the forest. It's a continuation of the forest, and we're basically going to be landing into an island to rescue some lost people and learning how to survive on that island. I'll be honest with you, I didn't play the forest at all. I wanted to, but they kept getting sidetracked. And I really wanted to play this one. They've been doing updates to it. It is still early access, so there are still some bugs, things that they're working through. But they've done a few updates since it's come out, and yeah, I thought it was time for me to get in and try it and share it with you. I will say I'm a newbie at this version of the game. There's a lot more in depth into construction than I'm used to, but I'm looking forward to getting into it. So we'll go ahead and start out with a nice little single player game, new game, and we're going to do a normal difficulty. I don't want to do hard or anything of that nature, but I don't want to make it a cakewalk either. So I want to have a little bit of a challenge. So I am doing keyboard mouse. You can do controller with this. I have decided I just want to do keyboard mouse just because that's what I'm more comfortable with sometimes on these type. This is one of the newest updates they did, is ability to assign inventory through your number keys. That way you can do quick attacks. We can hold down for heavy attacks, or quick attacks is just tapping. Game actually has a lot of neat functions to it. You can actually do really build your own type buildings, as well as some pretty ready-made buildings. Kind of get used to one versus the other. You don't really necessarily have to build a big building. You just need something to survive in. And when we start out, we'll probably not do a building right off the bat, though probably within a few episodes, I'll want to get into a building. You can start out with your tent, which you kind of build real quick with some cloth and tarps and things of that nature. There's still a lot I'll need to learn as we go along. I have watched a few videos of it myself, so it's not that I don't know anything about the game, but there's some stuff I don't know and stuff we'll learn and determine how it works. First time load, it's looking like it's taking a few minutes, but see where we go here. My understanding, when you first come in and land, the landing areas are different depending on your playthrough. So that's why I think it takes a few seconds to load in here. Oh, we're in a helicopter. Oh yeah, we're in one helicopter looking at another. He was awful close. Oh man, that's a beautiful looking island. Wow. Great detail, great detail. Is that lightning? Yeah, I guess we are in a rainstorm. Oh, here we go. Edward Puffington. He's been gone for 31 days. Barbara Puffington, 31 days. And Virginia Puffington, 31 days. Okay. What do we got here? We got Fisheye and we got Kelvin. How you guys doing? You ready to go do this? What do you think? They still out there? Oh, there's a site. Okay. You guys think we can find them on this island? I think we can. Here. Fight demons. I think we'll be fighting something just as bad, cannibals. That's usually what's in this one. Not going good. We got shot at. We're going down. Oh. Hang on. Come on, reach out and grab them. Come on. Grab them. There you go. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Not good at all. Oh. Man. Come on, go around the helicopter. I can't let you in here. I need to get out of here. Come on, okay. E to exit. Kick, come on. Kick. Get out of here before we drowned. Okay, come on, let's go down. Oh, which way's up? Oh, that's down. We need to go up. Come on, swim. I don't know if I was going up or not, but we black out. Oh, oh. Hey, hey. Oh, what? Hey, now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That's not nice. What a way to wake up to an island. Okay. Man, graphics are looking sharp in here. Huh? Emergency kit. Okay. Interesting. And beautiful. Oh, there's a fish here. Can't grab it though. Oh, there's a rock. What do we have in here? Oh, some tape. Okay. Whoa, whoa, hey, buddy. You okay, buddy? Kelvin. Oh. You okay, buddy? Come on. Wake up. You're not looking too good. Oh, yeah. Blood out of the ears is never a good sign. Huh? Can you follow the bouncing pin? There you go. There you go. Come back to reality, buddy. Hey. How you doing? Oh, so we can get, build, stay, take a break, clear. Oh. Fix and drop here, or give to me, or follow me. Hey. Okay. Let's go ahead and have them get some sticks. I know we're going to need a lot of sticks and stuff, so. There you go, buddy. Can you do that? Okay. Get that fish. Some small rocks. Hang a grenade and C4. Cool. See, there we go. Tarp. Resin. We need that for printers later on. I do remember that. Got a watch. Okay, open your inventory with the tab key. There we go. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna open that up. There we go. We got a few items. So let's see. We got a GPS tracker, technical axe, a lighter, and a guidebook. Oh, that'll be nice to have. So now we can defend ourselves for a little bit. More C4 stuff. Okay, what else do we have? Anything else around here? No one right here. And I see a stick here. Okay, we got new crafting recipes. What do we have? I click on the stick. Okay, that's how we make a tent. Basic fire, reinforced fire, Standing fire. Okay, there's a lot of things to build here. Structures. Oh, you can make reinforced structures for doing things. Fences. Floors. And this is how you can build pretty much anything you want. Walls on that. Doors by topping out. Cool. Windows. Single step. Basic beams. A roof. Struts. These are all the basics. There are ways you can combine it and put things together. Defensive wall, that'll be good. Rope ladder. Rope bridge. Firewood. Now we're back to temp, and if we hit X for the mode, we can do a hunting shelter, a small log cabin, a lean-to, a lookout tower, tree platform, so we can actually put stuff in trees. That'll be cool. Tree shelter, thick beds, bone chairs, all kinds of bone stuff, which we'll get. Okay, all kinds of stuff. Well, let me get some of this up. Hey, thank you, Alvin. Or Calvin. Hey. That's enough of that for right now. Let's see. Just, tell you what. Follow me. Let me get my bearings here. We're probably going to go somewhere, Calvin. I don't know if I want to be out in this open beach area. So it is a nice level area, but there's no... I don't think you can drink the water. Let's go back into here. So if I put that in there, I can see I can make a spear, a crafted bow, club, stone arrows, and so on. But I need other things to do that. So I'm going to do arrows. So I need 2 of those. I need some tape and my knife. Now I want to combine that together. There we go. We now have that, and I'll put that in spot 2. I'll put that in spot 1. I believe that's... Actually, let's put that in spot 1. No, I still want this in spot 1. We'll put this out farther. I think it actually has another one. Put the knife in 3 just so I have a backup. Okay. There we go. Nice. Let's continue to look around and see if we can find anything else. Not hungry yet, so that's good. Oh, some pills. We'll need that. More tape. Oh, come on. I want a feather. Come on, I want a feather. Ah. I'll have to practice on that. Come on back here. There you go. Come on in here. There you go. Get those feathers. Too far away. And I think you can hit it a 3rd time if I remember correctly. Okay, and then we can harvest it for some meat. Just some quick meat. Nice. Harvest this one for some meat. Okay, there we go. So now we got some meat and feathers. I do know that much of the game. So our GPS tracker, we can equip it. Oh, that's kind of cool. So we got to find the rest of our team. I'm assuming it's these purple locations we'll have to go to for that. What's nice is now we have a map here. Can I zoom in and out on the map? Oh, that's interesting. Tap opens it. Holding down tap key does something different. Okay. Okay, clicking the middle mouse button changes the view. Oh, there's some pulsating items. See, it looks like there might be some water up ahead over there. That might be a good place, because it looks like there's some open area there we might be able to build at. Looks like there's a cave over that way. I don't think I'm ready to do any caves. Do I build here, or do I go ahead and go? I still got some time. I don't know exact time here, but got a little time. Let's explore. Is there anything up here on these guys? So you got a mask on there, but you've had a bad day. Oysters. Oh, have to see if that's any good to eat later. Yeah, you're not much better. Can't get your helmet. Is there anything else around here? Any more? Now, this is a big island. Beautiful scenery. The way those waves come in. How many fish in these waters? Oh, there's some stuff here. Oh, cool. I can't get any more clams. Get some energy drink. Oh, I didn't mean to eat that, but oh well. Hopefully that was good. That one. Another energy drink. Clam I can't get. Oh, a can opener. Some rope. Some more rope. That'll be handy, I'm sure. More tape. Oh, what do we got? Looks like some horns. I didn't mean to eat it. Oh no. Oh, oh. I'm definitely not hungry. Okay. Oh, spiders. Ooh, I don't like spiders. One thing I don't like is spiders. Never have. Let's see. Go through this way and see what else we got. I really want to start trying to find a good place to sit. I don't know. I don't know if this is good. There's not really close water spots. I'd like to be a little closer to a water spot. Looks like there's a couple around here. Over on this way, there's some nice beach area it looks like. I wonder if that'll be a good spot. And there's some nice stuff here, but I think we're going to go look around because we got some more new recipes. But right now I don't know what else I'd want until I get into it more. And it is so cool in this. I mean, this is so realistic looking. I see K is Kelvin, so he's trying to run up around on me here. Trying to stay with me. I guess he couldn't fall. I'm hoping he's still following me. Told him to follow me, so he should be coming up here sooner or later. Not used to having a partner like that in here, but he'll follow me. He'll catch up. Ooh, okay, that's not good. That's signs of a cannibal. But here's some water. Can we drink this water? Map. There we go. Yes, I can drink the water. Hopefully it doesn't make me sick. Doesn't appear so. Oh. Probably not good drinking where they're all laying in it. There is some stuff up here. Cool. Now, if I remember in Force 1, if you hit these, I heard you get stuff out of them. That's a stick. Rocks, that's it. Okay. Sticks, that's it. Okay. So we got water here. This is a fairly flat. But there's a lot of roads near it. See what if this water down here is drinkable. I did see that when I was going. This is a really nice flat area. There's a lot of trees right through here. There's not a whole lot down here. That's the other thing is, do I want to really transport the trees back and forth? But if I built up on this hill a little bit, I would still be close to the water. Let me recheck my map. See, I could build on that side. Roads are kind of be in between the roads. There is a couple things we have to do up that way to find our partners. Go with me, Kelvin. Hey, come on over this way, Kelvin. We're looking for a space to hunker down. I see. I like this. It's got some nice water. There's a road here, but I don't think that'll be too bad. Yeah, I can drink out of this water. That'll be good. Come on, Cal. Whoa, what is this? Oh, blueberries. Blueberries can't be bad for you. Okay. Oh yeah, I like this area. What do we have here? Fallon berries. Cool. Okay, what do we have here? This looked like might be an open area. Gonna be big enough to build something on. It is. I do have to watch out for the roads here. So I want to be right next to the road. I want to build back a little bit. It'd be kind of neat to do a tree house, but I don't know if I'm ready for that advanced building yet. Some berries here. There's a stream right down there. Oh, what do we have here? Could this be... Oh, this could be. We could see out on the beach in the morning. Oh, yeah. Can I put these down? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry about that, Kelvin. So I do know a couple things we want to do. Let's see. Is it B for book? Yes, it is. Let's see. Furniture. Storage. Stick storage. Rock storage. Log storage. We want to get a couple log things here. Rotate R. Okay, and we need to put in sticks. Oops. There we go. Hey, Kelvin. Hey, buddy. Follow me. Come this way. Yeah. Come on over here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I want you to get me some trees, so get logs and whoop, not drop here. Hold on, no. Hold on. Sorry about that. Hit the wrong button. No. There we go. Come on. Nope. Stop. Get logs. Fill holder. Yes. While you're doing that, I'm going to build you a couple more holders. This is what I've heard Calvin's good with, is building your stuff, helping you get logs and things of that nature. Oh, come on. I gotta get more sticks. Where are some sticks? Stick. I need to find sticks. Maybe I need to have Kelvin get me more sticks here while I'm... There we go. There's a couple sticks. I'm gonna get this log holder up for him. Sorry, let me get in your way. I'm gonna go find some sticks. Oops, I got some leaves. There we go. I just want the sticks. I don't really care about leaves at the moment. And I also want to clear this up so I can see if anybody comes. Whoa, what was that? What was that? That didn't sound good. That was loud too. I don't know if you heard that. Calvin, did you hear that? No, I heard that. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What the world is that? Monkey? Primate? Oh. Back up. Back up. Go back. Back up. Just stay back. No? I don't trust you. You look dangerous. Oh. I can't do anything with him yet because I don't have a fire. I need to go ahead and build a fire. Let's see. Let's find a spot to put our tent for right now. Put the tent here. Let's see. Book. And tent. Should be on this page somewhere. Or is it on the other page? It's on the other book. I got to switch modes. Now I can do a tent. Okay, so that's just laying down the tarp. The tab for inventory. No, not holding tab. I know I have a tarp in here. So right here. Yes. I'm going to equip that. Throw that down. Put a stick up. Okay. I put a stick up on this side. Yes. Okay, this gives us a spot to save, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick save here. Now let's get a fire. So, break the stick, put it down there, break another stick, and then light it. Good. Now, I remember from what I've been told, where did I put that guy? Yes, I pick him up. I can actually drop him on there. Oh, that was a terrible throw. And then he will catch on fire, and I'll be able to use his bones. Hey, Kelvin. Yeah, thank you. So, I'm not going to start out with a custom base for this one. I'm sure I'm going to build another one somewhere else. This is my temporary base. I just want a place where I can get comfy, maybe build a small surround too and everything. So I'm going to try one of the ready-made huts, I think. I just want to go re-look at them here. So hunting shelter, that's only a 2x1. Is there anything bigger than that? Lean-to. No. Okay, that's tree shelter. I don't want a tree shelter yet. So I think I'm going to build my own. So to build your own, it's not really that hard. How can I get rid of that lighter? Oh, L gets rid of the lighter. So I'm going to pick up a couple logs. My understanding is you set how you want it. So I want to put one there. Oh, that's interesting. Is that on a stump there? Interesting. I'm going to pick that up. And I believe you hold, yep. No, it isn't. It just leveled it out for me. Nice. So I want to put that again. Right there. And then I want to do one. This is going to be... Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Oh, is that Jennifer? Oh, Jennifer, what happened to you? Oh, come back here. Don't run. I think that was Jennifer that we saw, but he has a couple extra legs there. That's a little interesting. So as you can see, it said it's trying to level it up for me. So we will work on that. But before I do that, let's see. Can I build this way? Not yet. Okay. So one thing you can do. And I'm trying to remember, how do you switch? Right button. Let me pick this back up. Okay. And then if you take this guy and put them on here like that. Then I should be able to. Okay, let me pull that back off. How does that work? It's not doing what I want it to do. Okay, it just automatically did it for me. Okay. Interesting. I don't remember that, but okay, I want to go that way. There we go. Hey, Kelvin. Taking a break? Yeah, you kind of... I haven't been moving quick enough. I gotta get rid of this stump here. Let's see. Let me put that down. There we go. Now can I go this way? What else is in the way there? Ouch. Come on, get out of the way there. Doesn't show that it's in the way. Can't I build onto that guy? Please stop that. Can't afford that. Let me, I'm hurting here. Let me get in here. Let's get, one of these Papa pills. Yeah, there we go. That should help me out. Come on. No? That didn't help a lot. I want to hold out. So if I pick this bad boy back up and then relay them. No. Okay, let's put that like that. Now let's grab this piece again. And get to the spot. Okay, so now that being in a higher mode, can I now? That didn't work. Try this again. Almost like I need to put that down first. Put that guy there. Can I put that? Now I can put it in there. Oh no, that puts it on top. Oh, that's what it is. There we go. Now that's lined up. Yeah, that can't go in there. I didn't think it could. It's not level enough. It's getting dark. It's getting hard to see. Let me sleep until morning if I can. There we go. Nice morning. Hey, can you do me a favor? I think I saw in here. Get rocks, no. Get build, stay, take a break, clear, take item, follow me, get. I was hoping you could fish for me. Here, stay here, hidden, take a break. I don't want to take a break, but let me come down here and get something to drink. I do have, I can put in the fire, I do have those, whoa. Yeah, I don't want to run into a spider. I do have those birds I can cook up, so let's go back and see if I can cook. Any more to drink? Boy. There we go. Get back up here. Whoa, ran through that spider web anyway. That health's still doing pretty bad. Where's my home at? It is. Okay, let's see. Can I get this? Okay, so let's relight the fire. Hold down the tab key. No. Okay. Get some of that in there. Let's get some more leaves in there. Get it flaming up a little bit. And we'll see how this goes here. I know I'm hungry. Now while that's cooking, I got a few minutes I think. How do I get this? I got that one to do. Why is this one not wanting to work? Oh, that didn't work. Let's see. There we go. That helped me. Okay, so now let me figure this out. I can get those two. I can get that. That will not go that way. I don't think it's level enough. Let me try up here. Almost leveler right here. Try this. Okay. So far so good. Okay, there we go. There we go. We're on a roll now. A couple more logs. Whoop, I don't want to do that. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's see, I need to get you out of here. Okay. Now I need to get something in the center. I remember my reading here. Like so. Kelvin, I might need to have you go get more logs here. There we go. Hey, come back here. Hey. Where are you going? Let's see. Take item, clear 5 meters, take a break, stay, build, get. Logs. Bill holders, please. You're doing a good job. Way to go, Kelvin. Okay, so now I have my base for my floor, so I should be able to go like this and build my floor. Perfect. I gotta do this first, then pick this up and put it in here. In here. Okay. Good work, Kelvin. Keep it up. I may make this a little bit bigger before we're all said and done. Up here, let me take down a tree. I haven't done this yet. Oh, he makes it look easy. Oh, there it goes. Watch out, Kevin. Kelvin, watch out. Whew. Oh, dang it. Busted one of my things out. What is that flashing sound? Oh, I know what it is. Dang it. Come on, get back in there. Note, do not, there we go. That splashing sound was basically, things falling through the world. That does happen occasionally. But there we go. We have a base started. I do want to go out one more that way, I think. So, let's get rid of this stump. Get it out of my way. And this one. Okay. See if we can add to the base like I want to. That one's going to be the one to give me fits, isn't it? I'm going to pull these up. Now, Kelvin, that was my log. Can I have that back, please? Hey, leave it for 2 seconds. He's going to take it. Not Get lift that. Anything else that we... Sounds like it's gonna rain here. Can I go this way? I can go that way. Oh, out of curiosity, can I go this way? Yes, I can. So. There we go. That's what I was trying to get it to do earlier. I think that's so cool. And if I go right, this guy should lift this one up. There we go. And then put this guy right onto there. Is this one big enough? I don't think it is. See? Well, it says it is. I just saw it. There we go. See if it's big enough. No, that's not big enough. Okay. Curious if I can make some firewood out of this. Hold still. There we go. There we go. There's a good fire if I ever seen one. Cool. Let's go grab another 2 logs. Set you there for the moment. Oopsie daisy. There we go. And there we go. Now we have it. That's a good size space to start out with. Right, Kelvin? Here, what do you see, Kelvin? Spiderweb? What's the matter, Kelvin? Why are you running? Okay, I need to put 1 log in there. Oh, that's why you're running. Sorry, Kelvin. I gotta get rid of this thing. This monkey ape type thing. Get out of here. You okay, Kelvin? You okay? Sorry about that, buddy. Go back to doing some log work. Let me know if he comes back or she comes back. I think that was a female monkey. It's hard to tell. Okay. Oh, this building is so nice. I do like it. It's a little tricky, but I'm doing it not necessarily in the flattest area, but it's working so good. We have another one. Hey, now we're ready to start putting the walls in, Kelvin. Doesn't that sound good? Is there another one coming? Where'd you go, Kelvin? Hey, Kelvin, where'd you go? I don't know what you're looking at, but I don't see anything yet. Big rainstorm. Do not see what you're seeing, Kelvin. Where'd you go, Kelvin? Oh, you're way over there. What are you doing way down there? Keep off running like that. Where you at, Kelvin? Oh, what are you doing down here? Are you sunning? What are you doing? Huh? Hey, follow me. I know you probably need a break, but we're going to get hungry here before nightfall hits. And I think you are capable of fishing. I know I can too, but I haven't seen any fish. About now, okay. Take a break. Stay here, build, get fish. And drop here, yep. Get some fish and drop it right here. When you get a few, I'll come back and get them from you. Thank you, Calvin. Okay, let's go back up here. Let him do a little fishing. And I'm going to continue clearing trees here. There we go. And it's falling away from the house. That's good. And let's grab another log here. I don't know why I'm grabbing them one at a time. The spider webs look cool. Man, I don't like spiders, but the spider webs look cool. Really good attention to detail in the game. Get ourselves a nice place to hunker down, build some shelving units in here to store our gear. Then we'll build a perimeter around this of fencing to keep people in and out. I'll probably have Kelvin cut back a lot of this brush. Because if I remember correctly, those monkey type things and some of the others, they'll climb these trees and jump on you. So I don't want that. Nice, you can actually hold down your mouse button. Okay, let's grab a couple more of these. Okay, let's go see what Kelvin's doing. It's almost nighttime. I want to get him back up here. Hopefully he's gotten us a couple fish down here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing down here? What are you doing? Get out of here. This is my spot. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. My spot. Oh, there's another one, huh? Okay. Kelvin? Are you all around here, Kelvin? Where you at, Kelvin? Oh, there you are. You're down this way. Who did I tell you to drop those fish off at? I follow wherever you're going. Hi. Find your way. No, I told you to drop them somewhere. Where did I tell you to drop them? I told you to I'll have you follow me. Sounds like they're dropping into there, so this was a bad spot to have you drop them. I'm gonna go ahead and eat up. That's the way I wanted to do it. There's the fish. Any others at the moment? Eating some berries there, Calvin. I would too. Okay. Well, folks, let me get up here. It's about nighttime probably. It's getting closer. We got a good run on this. I'm going to probably do a little bit of work off camera, but I wanted to at least get the initial fun together. Hey, come on up here, Calvin. So we got the start of the base, the outside walls. I need to get more carriers together, get some more logs brought in, but we got a good start. Calvin here, he's been doing good. Hey, Calvin, I know I took you away from your break, so tell you what, take a break. Relax for a little bit. I do know if you let him relax a little bit, get his energy up, he'll work even harder for you. Because I'm going to have him clear out a good maybe 10 meters away from the house. And then we'll use all those logs to build our house. I will be doing a lot more sticking and everything. Getting some stick holders together, some rock holders, things of that nature so we can unload. I want to get some shelving units in there so we can unload our inventory. That way when we go out we can find new stuff. And just see how far we can progress in this game. It looks pretty good. I'm sure once we get into some more harder monsters, those easy ones will be no good. I won't be as good as on those, but we'll see. I might surprise myself. So with that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like the game, if you played it. I know it's still in early access, and I'm sure it's going to have a lot more updates, but let me know what you think about it. Or if there's something I'm not doing right that, hey, if you did this, it would work better, let me know about it in the comments. So with that, I thank you everybody, and have a great day.